a warm and cordial welcome to the inaugural ceremony of the grand finale of Smart India Hackathon 2024.
शुभ प्रभात, शुभ सवेर, सव सकाल, सत श्री अकाल, कलाई वनक्कम, शुभोदयम, शुभ प्रभातम. Innovation is an ability to see the change as an opportunity, not as a threat. Honorable Shri Atulji Garg, Chief Guest and Chairman Governing Board of KITE and Member of Parliament Lok Sabha, Guest of Honor Shiva Suman, Senior Deputy Directors and the dignitaries sitting on and off the dais. Very good morning and welcome at local inauguration of 7th hardware edition of Smart India Hackathon 2024 hosted by KITE Group of Institutions, where the very essence of innovation, collaboration and excellence is nurtured every day. The Smart India Hackathon envisioned by Ministry of Education's Innovation Cell, Ministry of MOE and AICT, and it is more than a competition. This is an innovation festival nurtured by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji in the form of world's largest hackathon and the problem-solving platform, the dawn of a new era to be shaped by Gen Z. Uddamen hi siddhanti karyani na manoratha. Work is achieved through the efforts and not mere by wishes. And the whole KITE Group of Institution, the team right from led by Joint Director, Director Academics, all deans, everybody, the functional heads and the team, 306 participants we are hosting at present, and for 306 probably more than equal or more than those volunteers are working for all of you. A huge thank you goes to Ministry of Education, AICT and the Innovation Cell for giving and choosing the KITE as one of the nodal center amongst 51. Only 13 nodal centers are working for hardware hackathon and we are one of them. In NCR, though there are 6 centers, and in Uttar Pradesh there are 2 private institutions and we are one of them. Today we are hosting 199 boys, 107 girls, total 306 and 30, including 34 mentors, and they will be solving the 6 problem statements of Ministry of Power. It's not about developing the solutions, but co-learning. The learning from each other's culture, learning about discipline, time management, problem-solving skills, pitching, and the presentation skills as well. Learning life skills because you are traveling from Tamil Nadu to Kanyakumari, from Srinagar. There are students from 13 states, 11 states and 2 union territories. So a lot of life skills you will be learning, lot of learning would be there when you participate in such events. Let's work together to make the Smart India Hackathon 2024 a milestone in India's journey towards becoming the global hub for innovation and sustainability. As Swami Vivekananda have said, arise, awake and stop, not till the goal is achieved. The participants do perform your best. The winning teams might be the 6, but for me and for all of us, you all are winners because you have shown your confidence to participate in this hackathon. Thank you, KITians, we have made it. Let the innovation to begin. Jai Hind. Thank you.
A very good morning to the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, and a special good morning to the participants out here. Special why? Because I consider this particular student community a very special one, because you are different than others. How? You think beyond what others can think. You believe in innovation. You believe in, conquering newer frontiers. And it is basically on your shoulders that we can actually dream of something like Viksit Bharat. Because innovation is the cornerstone which will take us there. And you are going to be the torchbearer of that. Please make a note of that. We are all looking forward to your innovations, your capabilities. We understand that you have lots of ideas, lots of fruitful ideas, lots of workable ideas. And to give fruition to those ideas, we need certain platforms, we need certain avenues. Smart India Hackathon is one such avenue, one such platform created by you people, for you people. And just to give you a glimpse of how big this platform is, of course, we all know that it's the biggest open innovation model across the world. But as a family, the manner in which we have grown and achieved is tremendous. Till today, this family has had 14 lakh members. That many number of students and participants have come together and participated in Smart India Hackathons. More than 2 lakh teams have come together and worked on ideas. And the output has been tangible. It's not just an event which just happens and people go back and nothing more. We have seen very, very tangible outcomes coming from Smart India Hackathon. Just for your information, it doesn't just stop at idea level or a problem statement solution level. It goes on to gets turned into entrepreneurs. We have created more than 100 startups through Smart India Hackathons. And the total valuation of the startups created through this media has been put at 15,000 crores, which is no mean achievement. So a big round of applause for yourself for being able to do that. And the most important thing is the mindset. Right now we live in an ecosystem in which we are looking forward to jobs after getting a degree. The whole purpose, whole motivation for getting a degree is like, I'll get a degree and search for a job somewhere. Now this particular community has become job creator rather than job seeker. So hats off to you guys. So here also we are once again congregated for the next edition of SIH. And from here also we are going to have some wonderful ideas, wonderful solutions coming from your side. So give it your best. And I would say let this edition also be another feather in the cap of SIH. Work on solutions. Some solutions might become revolutions. And we are looking forward to the revolutions from your side. So thank you so much for joining us here today, and all the best to all the teams. Thank you.
A very good morning to each and everyone present here today on this great occasion. Today's chief guest, Honorable MP, Mananiya Sri Atul Garg ji, chief guest, guest of honor Sri Shiva Suman ji, Sri Sagarwal ji, Sri Sunil Gupta ji, General Secretary KITE, Madam Preeti Bajaj ji, respected faculty members, and today's participants. Dear all, I warmly welcome you all in today's event, and it is a great pleasure for all of us that I was also very keen to listen to our Honorable MP, but Sir has instructed me to say a few words, so I am present here to discuss with you all about this event, Smart India Hackathon. Actually, this event, Smart India Hackathon, was started in year 2017 with only a software chapter. In 2018, the hardware chapter was introduced. 4 successful editions have been completed in the year 2017, 18, 19. And due to COVID, there was a halt in the year, you can say 20 and 21, then 22 and 23. Due to COVID situation, we could not start this event in the year 20 and 21. But this event is having so much interest from the various countries of the world also. We are witnessed in the year 2022, Gautam Buddha University, South African countries, from 16 to 17 South African countries participated in this event, and from the young minds we received very beautiful solutions of various problems received from various ministries, various PSUs. So we are also expecting in this session too, because what we expect that young minds who are having their hidden potential, or you can say some brains, some hidden talent inside them, they can produce during these events. And various ministries, various PSUs who are providing their problem statements to us, we can get some solutions from these platforms. And these young minds also get some exposure, some a chance to represent themselves, to provide these ideas. So we are also expecting from you people. I warmly welcome all the participants who are present here today. Kindly provide us such solutions to, I think problem statements are from Ministry of Power. So I definitely expect that you will definitely provide some solutions of these problems. And we also expect that in future also a large number of participations we will expect from this college also, so that we can provide solutions of problems which a common man is facing in this great country. And definitely your solutions will provide will greatly contribute in the development of this nation, and we will definitely achieve the target of our developed nation by 2047, which is the dream project of our Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji, along with all people of India. So by saying these few words, I again congratulate to all the participating teams, and also congratulate them in advance. I thank to the team and able management of Kite Group for being the partner of this great event, for such a nice arrangement. Thank you all. Jai Hind.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद डॉक्टर प्रीति बजाज जी, हमारे शिवा सुमन जी, विकास वर्मा जी, नवीन जी, आप सब पूरे देश से आए हुए हमारे नई नन्ही उम्मीदें, हमारे सभी साथी लोग। मैं यहाँ पर मैं सुन रहा था कि हिंदी में भी कई बार बोला गया, बहुत अच्छी बात है, पर इतनी मुश्किल हिंदी में मत बोलो कि किसी के समझ में ही नहीं आए। ये मेरा अनुरोध है आप सब आगे के लिए। बच्चे कई साउथ इंडिया से आए हुए हैं, उनके दिल पे क्या बीतेगी, और इन बच्चों को मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि किसी न किसी दिन तो आप भी बड़े आदी बनोगे ही, और जब ये लोग आपके यहाँ आए तो आप भी कन्नड़ में बोलना, तमिल में बोलना, सभी, तब जाकर के इन्हें पता पड़ेगी कि इनके दिल पे क्या बीत रही है। कितनी देर बोलना है मैडम? ऐसा नेताओं को तो पता नहीं पड़ता ना, सुनने वाले को पता पड़ता है। 10 मिनट, अच्छा ठीक है। मेरा जो लालन पालन हुआ बड़ी अजीब परिस्थितियों में परिवार में हुआ। मेरे पिताजी चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट थे और बड़े खुले दिल के व्यक्ति थे। तो कभी कभी वो हमसे पूछ लेते थे कि भाई कौन सी क्लास में पढ़ रहे हो, तो हम बता देते थे कि हम 4th में आ गए हैं, 5th में आ गए हैं। तो दूसरा सवाल उन्होंने कभी ये नहीं करा कि पढ़ाई कैसी चल रही है, क्योंकि उन्हें शायद रिजल्ट का पता ही था। तो वो फिर सेकंड क्वेश्चन उनका ये होता था, वो खेलने कूदने गए थे क्या, कुछ खेलने गए थे? तो मैं कहता हाँ जी आज खेला था मैं। तो हमारे यहाँ खानदानी टेबल टेनिस थी एक, 1950-60 के अंदर परिवार में ही थी। तो बोले क्या खेले थे? तो मैं कहता था टेबल टेनिस खेला था या 4 गेम खेले थे। अरे उसमें बहुत तकलीफ हुई होगी, कैरम बोर्ड खेले थे, लूडो खेले थे। तो उनका जो पूरा ध्यान था वो इस बात पे था कि सेहत कैसे अच्छी रहे, सीखोगे क्या। पूरी विश्व युद्ध की बातें करते थे, रूजवेल्ट की बात करते थे, चर्चिल की बात करते थे, गांधी जी की बात करते थे। हम लोग आरएसएस से संबंधित हैं, और पिताजी को जब आरएसएस बैन हुई थी तो 16 साल की उम्र में जेल भी जाना पड़ा था। दादाजी भी जेल गए थे। खानदानी जेल जाने वालों में हमारा नाम है। मैं भी गया जेल, पर मैं जब जेल गया तो मेरी परिस्थितियां अलग थी। तो कई बार जेलर पूछता था सर आज क्या खाएंगे, तो मेरी जेल अलग तरह की थी, लेकिन पिताजी और दादाजी वगैरह की जेल कुछ और तरह की रही होगी। तो मेरा बेटा, छोटा बेटा जो है, वो पता नहीं कैसे हमारे यहाँ पिताजी के बाद बड़ा इंटेलिजेंट निकला है। तो उसने पूछा हमसे कि मेरे को क्या पढ़ना चाहिए। तो मैंने कहा भी पॉलिटिक्स में या बिजनेस के अंदर लॉ की बहुत सख्त ज़रूरत है, तो तुम लॉ कर लो मेरी राय में, तो बाकी तुम्हारी मर्जी। तो उसने पेपर दे दिए। तो 3 हिंदुस्तान के सबसे अच्छे कॉलेजेस में उसका 3 जगह सिलेक्शन हो गया। तो मुझसे उसने पूछ लिया गलती से कि पापा मैं कौन से कॉलेज में जाऊं। तो मैंने कहा कॉलेज में जाके क्या करेगा, तू एक काम कर, अपने दादा के साथ रहना शुरू कर दे, क्योंकि मैं तो तुझे कुछ सिखा नहीं पाऊंगा, और वो उनका जो जीवन का आचरण है वो नई नई चीज़ें तेरे को रोज़ सिखाएंगे। पढ़ाई लिखाई तो ज़िंदगी में फिर भी होती रहेगी, पढ़ाई लिखाई तो जब मर्जी कर लियो। पता नहीं कैसे उसको मेरी बात समझ में आ गई, वो पिताजी के साथ रहने लगा। पिताजी का और हमारा जो रहने का तौर तरीका था, कंडीशंस थी, बहुत फ़र्क थी। वो एसी का कम इस्तेमाल करते थे, शाम को 7 बजे उनका ड्राइवर शराब पी लेता था, तो वो ये कंफर्टेबल इस बात में रहते थे कि मेरे को या मेरे बच्चों को बुला लें अपने सोशल कमिटमेंट्स पूरा करने के लिए, शादी ब्याह में। अपने ड्राइवर को भी डिस्टर्ब नहीं करते थे, अब इसका काम है, चलो खा पी लेगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। तो हमारे बेटे ने उनकी गाड़ी चलानी शुरू कर दी। नतीजा ये हुआ कि उसको पूरी दुनिया से वो कनेक्टिविटी बढ़ गई। और एक दिन उसको 28 साल की उम्र में अहमदाबाद से लेक्चर देने के लिए इनविटेशन आया, और वो अहमदाबाद में लेक्चर देने के लिए गया। तो वो इसलिए नहीं गया कि उसने कोई बहुत पढ़ाई कराई थी, बहुत लिखाई कराई थी। वो इसलिए गया कि वो पूरी दुनिया से कनेक्ट हो पाया, अलग अलग फील्ड के अंदर अलग अलग लोगों से। दिनेश चंद्र गर्ग ने, मेरे फादर ने उसको कनेक्ट कर दिया कि भाई, फिर कुछ लोगों, फिर एक दोस्त थे, वो म्यूज़िक में बहुत इंटरेस्ट रखते थे, आध्यात्म में बहुत इंटरेस्ट रखते थे, वो उनके साथ बैठने लगा। तो म्यूज़िक को कैसे सुना जाता है, कुमार गंधर्व को कैसे सुना जाता है, भीमसेन जोशी का गायन क्या होता है, पेंटिंग्स क्या होती हैं, अमृता प्रीतम कौन है, ये सब चीज़ें उसको समझ में आनी शुरू हो गई। कुल मिलाकर के, क्योंकि वो विद्वान बहुत ज़्यादा है, तो मेरी उसकी तो खैर पटनी बंद हो गई, लेकिन वो समझदार बन गया, ऐसा मुझे लगने लगा है। अब ये बात मैं आपको क्यों बता रहा हूँ कि यहाँ पर जो शुरुआत करी मैडम ने, वो ये करी कि कौन जीतेगा, कौन हारेगा, फर्स्ट प्राइज़ किसे मिलेगा, सेकंड प्राइज़ किसे मिलेगा। फॉरगेट ऑल दिस थिंग, कुछ नहीं रखा इन बातों में, इस जीत में, इस हार में। जब मेरे जैसे आदमी एमपी बन सकते हैं, तो तुम खामोखा क्यों चक्कर में पड़ते हो? समझे भाई? बेसिक बात है कि सीख लो, कुछ चीज समझ लो, और जीत हार के चक्कर में टेंशन में मत पड़ो। जीत हार के चक्कर में 3 इडियट के हीरो की तरह मतलब अपने दोस्तों से नाराज होना शुरू हो जाओगे। फिर ये कहोगे कि जब दोस्त फेल होता है तो दुख होता है, जब दोस्त फर्स्ट आता है तो बहुत ज़्यादा दुख होता है। अपने रिलेशनशिप खराब कर लोगे। ये जो दुनिया चल रही है ना, ये विद्वानों से चल रही है। विद्वान कौन होता है? विद्वान जिसको नॉलेज हो। हजारों साल पहले हमारी बहुत सारी जो वनस्पतियां हैं, इन वनस्पतियों ने जो एक्सपेरिमेंट करे होंगे, तो उनके पास कोई डिग्री कोई थी, वो लोग पीछे पड़ गए, उन्होंने आपके लिए बहुत सारी दवाइयाँ क्रिएट कर दी। अभी भी मुझे खांसी है तो मैं भी आयुर्वेदिक दवाई लेके आया हूँ, ये रही, किसी बड़े डॉक्टर के लेबोरेटरी की दवाई लेके नहीं आया हूँ, ठीक है। जो उन्होंने बताया होगा मुलेठी है, इस तरह की चीज़ें हैं, तो उसमें डाल दिए। मैं खा रहा हूँ, अच्छी लग रही है मेरे को। अगर एटम बॉम्ब बना तो वो भी यूनिवर्सिटी के प्रोफेसरों ने बनाया, स्टूडेंट्स ने बनाया। दुनिया की एक खोज हजारों सालों से आश्रमों में हुई, भारत के अंदर भी। चाणक्य मैथमेटिक्स के, इकोनॉमिक्स के बहुत बड़े प्रोफेसर माने गए। अगर आप गौर करें कि नरेंद्र मोदी बिजनेस के लिए, बिजनेस को इतना आगे बढ़ा दिया उन्होंने, इंडिया की डेवलपमेंट को इतना आगे बढ़ा दिया, तो उनको तो किसी अच्छे स्कूल या कॉलेज में पढ़ने का ज़्यादा मौका नहीं मिला, लेकिन उन्होंने दुनिया को समझा और इतनी समझ पैदा की कि कोई उन्हें समझाए। गौर करना मेरी बात, कोई उन्हें समझाए तो वो समझ जाएं कि ये मुझे क्या समझा रहा है। बस इतनी सी बात सीखनी है जीवन में। इसके अलावा दुनिया आपकी मुट्ठी में है। मुट्ठी में होने का मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि तुम दुनिया पर राज करो, लोग आपको बहुत ज़्यादा रिकॉग्नाइज करें। मुट्ठी में होने का मतलब ये है कि तुम दुनिया को इस नज़रिए से देखो कि भाई हम इस दुनिया में आए और जाते जाते इस दुनिया के अंदर बहुत कुछ करके एक सेटिस्फेक्शन के साथ हम अलविदा ले रहे हैं। ये दुनिया जो है, इसी को ही मुट्ठी में मानना, ये जीत हार को आप छोड़ देना। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Our colleague mentor, Professor Dhanasri here. We are from the Parul University, Vadodara, Gujarat. Yes. And
सर आप यहाँ आए हैं, प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी भी आज इसी के ज़रिए बच्चों से इंटरेक्शन करने वाले हैं। आपके बच्चे किस तरह से, कितने एक्साइटेड हैं और क्या कुछ इन्वेंशन करने वाले हैं प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए?
Okay. Actually, we are very much excited, and our students are already very much excited for this particular event because once we received the email for this particular event, we are selected for the grand finale of this particular event. They are started working on the same day. Okay, and we have at Parul City, we have Center of Excellence, we have specialized IoT lab as well, and other laboratory facility we have in all the latest technology domains. So they are started working from that particular on the same day when we received this particular email. Okay, and along with that, our stay and everything is very much comfortable in this particular campus, KIT as well. And our students are working on the problem solution which is related to renewable source in the solar based problems which we are working here. Okay, and they already find their own hardware solutions in the domain of latest technology along with all the IoT hardware and all these things which we are using here. Yes.
How much are you excited?
Very much, sir. Excitement is on the high top right now because they have welcomed us very warmly, and the accommodation, food, facility, everything is given perfectly, and arrangement is also very good. Management team is working very hard, so everything is settled for the.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
का प्रॉब्लम है, तो वी आर प्रोड्यूसिंग potential fertilizer, natural liquid fertilizer from our hair waste. So a mere hair waste, it is being turned into a potential fertilizer which can enhance the Indian agricultural practices.
ये मोदी आज आने वाले हैं इसी के जरिए, कितनी एक्साइटेड हैं?
हम तो बहुत एक्साइटेड है उनसे मीट करने का. सो नरेंद्र मोदी जी से ना न्यूज़ पे ही हम देखते हैं, तो आज उनसे मिलने का हम बहुत एक्साइटेड हैं. थैंक यू.
believe the same thing is happening right now.
Yeah.
So everyone is doing the peer learning, right?
Yeah.
So you are with your friends, you are with your colleagues, and
Yeah.
you're learning as well as learning new things which are coming up as innovation.
Yeah.
That's something which we all admire. And now, the last thing which I want to ask you, there might be not many questions inside the audience, even if you want to ask me questions, we invite them. The fact that just want to know your message to the students who are living in this package, Smart India Hackathon 2024.
First of all, I like to really appreciate government's initiative, Saurabh's initiative, your initiative to have this Smart India Hackathon. At our time, this is now happening. So I passed out in 2012, but now there are a lot of opportunities for students. I believe you should take full use of these opportunities.
Okay, you are recording something. Okay.
Raj, SPOC SIH 2024.
सबके प्रयास से ही तेज गति से आगे बढ़ सकते। आज का ये दिन इसी का एक उदाहरण है। स्मार्ट इंडिया हैकेथॉन के इस ग्रैंड फिनाले का मुझे बहुत इंतजार था। जब भी आप जैसे युवा इनोवेटर्स के बीच आने का अवसर मिलता है, मुझे भी बहुत कुछ जानने का, सीखने का, समझने का मौका मिलता है।
That's the magnitude of Smart India Hackathon Hardware Edition 2024.
It's my first time in Northside, and I'm presenting my first idea of what I planned from second year itself in here in SIH 24 in KIET group of institution, and it was so great opportunity to present in front of every scholars and research specialists, industrial specialists, and interacting with every participants, and also interacting with volunteers. All the volunteers has been so helpful for me from night to every time. In midnight also, if we ask some help, means they just without any delay they helped us. So thank you.
Very good evening, everyone. First of all, I will thank the Ministry of Power, Government of India for organizing such a very, very wonderful program, and this will give its results in future. So we can head our talent and we can motivate our talent. The way participants have performed here is very, very exceptional. The facilities that are provided by the institution for such wonderful experimental work is also remarkable, and I thank KIET group of institutions for such nice facilities. And what we have experienced, the participants' enthusiasm is very, very strong. We have a big caliber which can take up India further, and we hope in the near future this solution will be really industrially viable, and in place of taking whatever the technical solutions we are importing from the abroad, we will be able to develop these solutions here in India. So this is the future for India that is very bright. I thank all the organizers and all the participants also for taking the full contribution. And one more thing I will like to mention, there may be few winners, but everyone is gainer here. So I hope everyone has gained a lot, and keep this tradition continue. You may win or you may lose, but your efforts are very phenomenal, and you please keep continue. This will give a lot of revenue return to you and country India also. With this, I thank you.
Chairperson, KIT Group of Institutions, Madam Preeti Bajaj, KIT Group of Institutions, my colleague Mr. Majumdar, other dignitaries sitting on the dais and off the dais, other esteemed guests and my dear children. Basically, this is Smart India Hackathon is such a premier nationwide initiative which is designed to engage the students in solving some of the most pressing challenges. The whole event has been designed to promote out-of-the-box thinking amongst youth minds, particularly engineering students across the country. This SIH provides a dynamic platform for students to develop and showcase their creative solution to real-world problems. The hackathon aims to bridge the gap between academic knowledge and practical applications. Nowadays, it has become imperative for all of us to have hands-on exposure of their subjects besides theoretical knowledge. So I'd like to say कि हम लोगों ने आज से तकरीबन 15-20 साल पहले इंजीनियरिंग किया था और उस समय इतनी अपॉर्चुनिटी हम लोगों के पास अवेलेबल नहीं थी और मोस्टली our knowledge was based on theoretical concepts. We were not getting that much practical exposure as the children of these days are getting. So मैंने एक इंस्टीट्यूट का इसका राउंड भी लिया था. Madam Preeti Bajaj was kind enough to give me a round of the entire institution, and I could see excellent infrastructure in this institute. I could see कि इसमें मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ स्किल डेवलपमेंट के साथ भी कई सारे कोलैबोरेशन के साथ कई सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स चल रहे हैं और भी बहुत सारी चीजें मर्सिडीज बेंज के इनफैक्ट आप देखा जाए तो इंजन्स हैं BMW के इंजन्स जिसके ऊपर बच्चे काम कर रहे हैं. कई सारी चीजें कुछ बाइक्स के भी देखे, रोबोटिक्स का मैंने देखा. तो इस तरह का वाकई में होना इससे रिमार्केबल प्रोग्रेस देखा जाए तो पावर सेक्टर में इनफैक्ट वी आर हैविंग 7 प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट्स. The one was concerning software and the rest 6 from hardware side. Almost 1,228 teams took part in the hackathon, and after evaluation around 56 teams qualified. Here at Present Center, we were dealing with 6 hardware problem statements, and if I'm not wrong, out of the 47 teams shortlisted, 44 teams are present here, and I would like to assure you, जैसा कि प्रोफेसर साहब ने अभी कहा था कि इसमें सारे ही विनर अगर नहीं है तो गेनर्स तो सभी हैं. श्रीमद् भागवत गीता में भी कहा गया है कि कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन. तो सभी ने एफर्ट किया है और मैंने देखा राउंड द क्लॉक हमारी भी जुड़ी पूरी टीम जो थी यहाँ पे अवेलेबल थी. राउंड द क्लॉक सभी ने एफर्ट किया, सभी ने किया. ऑल्दो कुछ टॉपिक्स हमारे ऐसे थे जिसमें मैं देख पा रहा था कि वाकई में देयर वर सर्टेन लिमिटेशंस. इस 5 दिनों में फिजिकल डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन करना दैट वाज रियली ए चैलेंजेबल टास्क. तो कुछ चीजों का कुछ मैंने इनफैक्ट मेंटरिंग पे हमारी जूरी ने ज्यादा फोकस किया रादर देन जजिंग, और हमने एडवाइस यही किया था कि आप जो भी लिटरेचर, हालांकि कुछ टीम्स कुछ बच्चे मैं उनको मोटिवेट कर रहा था बट दे वर रादर एप्रीहेंसिव कि अगर हम कोई लिटरेचर शो करते हैं तो हमारा इनोवेशन कहीं ना कहीं मात खा जाता है. मैंने उनको श्योर किया कि इस तरह की कोई भी चीज नहीं होगी. आप लिटरेचर तो प्रोड्यूस करिए, एटलीस्ट हमें भी कुछ लर्न करना है. हम भी इतने इन डेप्थ नॉलेज नहीं रखते हैं, तो जब तक आप लिटरेचर नहीं प्रोड्यूस करेंगे हमें यकीन नहीं हो पाएगा कि जो प्रोडक्ट आप प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं इनफैक्ट इसका कोई सॉलिड ग्राउंड है. तो बच्चों ने नेक्स्ट डे जो भी लिटरेचर जहां से भी उनको उपलब्ध हुआ ऑथेंटिक लिटरेचर वो हमें उपलब्ध कराया, एंड वी आर क्वाइट सेटिस्फाइड कि बच्चों ने दे हैव डन रिमार्केबली वेल. आई कैन एश्योर यू सभी ने बहुत अच्छा किया है, सभी ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है, और ये दिन रात लगे रहे हैं. दिन रात सारी टीमें लगी रही हैं और सभी ने बहुत ही अच्छा काम किया है. At last, I'd like to say a few words on the infrastructure, which I told you that यहाँ का जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर वाकई में मार्वलस है. मैंने ग्रेटर नोएडा के भी इंस्टीट्यूट्स देखे हैं, बट इनफैक्ट कहीं न कहीं लिमिटेशन थी. यहाँ 20 एकड़ के कैंपस में ऑलमोस्ट सारी चीजें जो एक अच्छे इंस्टीट्यूट में हो सकती हैं वो सारी अवेलेबल है. तो I'd like to congratulate Madam P.C. Bajaj, Chairperson, Guide Group of Institutions, for this. Thank you so much.
Good evening, everyone. Chairperson, KIET, all the dignitaries of the dais, my fellow colleagues, and all the participants. This was a very tedious journey for the last 5 days we have witnessed. Being the jury member as well as the mentor, we have witnessed a lot of innovations among most of the team. Most of the points have been already addressed by Pradhan sir just now. So, in addition to that, I can only say that myself and my colleagues, we have passed away from our colleges nearly 25 years back. And during our stay here, elongated stay, we cherished all the time. We recalled our college days. But we found that nowadays the infrastructure is lot of improvement. It has a lot of improvement, and the participants from all over the country are competing here, and they are showing their new innovations and new techniques for addressing the problem statements they have been given. After some times, there will be the declaration of the result. Some teams will be winners, but the rest of the teams should not be disheartened because they have competed a lot, and that's why they are here. There are a lot of teams. Out of that, you are the shortlisted. So I only boost your moral. I can only boost your moral for the future. Best of luck. Thank you.
संघर्ष जितना कठिन होता है, विजय उतनी ही शानदार होती है. Are you waiting for the result? How is the Josh? I can't hear. How is the Josh? Still. So I really appreciate your 8 days which you have spent. Honorable Chairman, Krishna Charitable Society, Shri Shirish Ji Agrawal. The honorable members sitting on the dais from Ministry of Power, AICTE, Joint Director, the august jury members sitting in this auditorium, the deans, the senior teachers, the lead, the committee lead, and most important, the participants and the mentors, the volunteers. It's been 5 days, 6 days I would say, 5 days of hackathon, and the reporting was on 10 days, on 10th, and 3 days of your traveling. And still this energy. So kudos to your efforts, dear participants, and the volunteers as well. 3 cheers for everyone. Hip hip. Hip hip. So as we gather here to celebrate the remarkable success of Smart India Hackathon Hardware Version 7th edition, I am reminded the timeless wisdom from the Rig Veda. Sangachadvam Savadham Savo Manasi Janatam. It means let's move together, let's speak together, and let's our mind be united in the understanding. Indeed, this event stands as shining testimony to what can be achieved. You thought of a problem statement when the Smart India Hackathon has declared some problem statement, and you never knew that you have that capacity what you have realized today. Is that true? and that those efforts, and kudos to the efforts of mentoring which Ministry of Power and all jury members have done. Pradhan Sahab, you have said very correctly that you all have focused on mentoring. I still remember the spot, Mr. Shiva, when we met, and then he was like, "Abhi kuch nahi kiya hai." And today, dear students, they were the one who were saying, everyone is winner. We want to give the prizes, and prizes were limited. Only one prize per problem statement. Still, there are many, many. So that's the spirit, and that all effort goes to you and your team and all the senior members who are here. So thank you, Ministry of Power, for sparing your precious time, 5 days, day and night. Thank you so much, sir. Let me come out with the statistics, as my part is to give the report, my part is to thank my team, and then the prizes, because after the prizes are declared, I won't get opportunity to thank my team as well. Total, as I said, on day one, the teams were expected, but then we have some dropout in the mentors. So 44 teams, 162 boys, 100 girls, total 262, and 26 mentors makes 288. There were 6 problem statements, as have been said, and from 12 states and 3 union territories. So there were 6 statements. Each statement almost we have 8 or 9, or in some we have 5 or 6 problem statements as well. Let me come out with, after these statistics, thanks. So first and foremost, I would like to thank the management of the KITE group of institutions. Honorable Chairman is sitting over here, and we had at the inauguration Shri Atulji Garg, the Chairman of Governing Board of KITE group of institutions, and all the trustees, all the management members who have wholeheartedly supported this event. There were certain norms, but then beyond that, they have approved and they have not said no, and that's what the feedback is from everyone. I would like to thank AICTE and Ministry of Education and MIC wing of AICTE for giving us this hackathon center. Without the support of all the team members and AICTE, this would not have been possible. My special thanks to Dr. Abhay Jere, Sareem, and all the team members, their representative. Mr. Vikas is here, who was here for last 6 days, day and night, with his team, and Mr. Mohammed as well. Thank you so much for being here personally and giving us opportunity to host. The thanks are due to Dr. Manoj as well, the one person who is behind this complete show, who has said that yes, it will be done, and it will be done. Overnight I have said, sir, I need this to be done, and he never said no. The two, always you require someone to take the ownership. Dr. Sachan and Mr. Saurabh, they were the two who said yes. The day I thought of that, yes, hackathon has to be in the campus, these were the two people. Ma'am, आप बताइए क्या करना है और वो सारा हो जाएगा. There has to be someone to execute, and thank you so much for believing and executing this. There were many committees, if I would take the name, but I would like to acknowledge each one who have contributed, right from jury coordination by Dr. Abhinav. The Honorable PN's program was very, very important. The technology which you have seen in this campus all was led by our Dean ITSS, Dr. Adesh. The beautiful TPR, Dr. Saurabh, I have already said that most important was your BOM. So technical committee has done their job, right? So I haven't seen acknowledged for them, but then yes, there were 6 members in technical committee and who have worked day and night to provide your material, to finalize your BOM, everything. So thanks are due for them. Thank you guys. The media coverage committee, Dr. P.T. Chittara, please pardon me because I am not following the sequence. I am just going with what I could recall and their contribution as well. There were team members who have done without space management, venue management, nothing would have been possible. Thanks to Dr. Ashish, Dr. Neeraj and their team who have done wonderful job within our first floor of library, and that was nowhere we could feel that a library but a hackathon space. 24/7 he has done the team management, and then we had अच्छा भोजन पेट ही नहीं भरता है आत्मा को भी तृप्त करता है. Are you happy guys with the food arrangements? So yes, so that was amazing job was done by the team led by our administrative officer. The accommodation was taken care by Mr. Abhishek and Pratibha. So thank you so much. That was wonderful job. And on the moment you have arrived, right from your arrival till you are in the campus and your table as well. Who has worked with you? Our ECEL students, the 40 students were there from Thank you so much, ECEL, who have worked with you. The registration team who has taken care right from arrival, and the accounts team, the purchase officer, the purchase team, registration team till your departure, they are ready with your certificates outside this auditorium. Thank you, Dr. Anurag, for the great job which you have done with your team. Thank you so much.